Hi, this is Parag Mulgund from Digilaji Tech Engineering Private Limited, Pune. Showing online credibility is the most difficult part to increase our business. As we know, meeting in person is the most best and effective way to build credibility for our business. Due to this testing period, it is always better to avoid meeting in person as maximum as possible. So, how do we build the credibility for our business growth? I have come up with a BDM automation blueprint for you. I'm using this and it's working for me. I'm also going through the similar challenges the way you are going through when it comes to business development. Based on my 3 decades of IT experience, so we build innovative industrial software solutions. I have conducted hundreds of workshops on digital marketing and trained thousands of business heads, business owners, MBA, freelancers, etc. I'm founder of Comfort Zone Liberation Hub, and I was featured in BBC World News as an innovative entrepreneur in the year 2015. I was thinking, how can I build a system with no cost? After doing a lot of research and evaluations, I came up with automation blueprint for you, which does not need any investment. So friends, what you can expect out of BDM automation blueprint? Point number one, it saves your business development effort up to 80%. Once BDM automation blueprint setup done, system needs your 2 to 3 hours of your effort in a week. You can achieve customer acquisition cost as minimal as possible. Generate qualified leads. Effective email marketing. Let me explain the blueprint itself to you for more clarity.
So yeah, this is the BDM automation blueprint, which I'm going to explain to you how the system is built for you so that it gives you more clarity. If you look at this contact resource sources, right? So end goal of any business, you need to have contact sources. Okay. So in order to get these contact sources, what are the ways? So one is direct emailing, and another one is a landing page and through website. So you will be collecting all this contact details so that you can connect with your end customer, right? So when you're connecting, you need to make sure that your end customer should get attracted. So what is important here is creating that right content is always it's going to be a very important aspect of your business building activity. So here you need to think a lot. Just to give an example, what are the possible objections that may come to you when it comes to negotiation, or when it comes to really understanding the solution, or it can be something related to objections related to trust also, right? So there are a lot of things which you need to think through when you are creating this content. So this is where we are going to value add for you. And once the attraction happens, now there is a possibility that the leads is going to happen to you. That means once he sees some value in you, what you're offering, okay, so you can be talking about your unique selling point, and so many things are there. So after having done that, now you will get the lead. That doesn't mean that you are getting the business here. So what happens is, this is the important steps which we need to really do it. Okay. So one is engage with your lead. He's the customer, right? And nurture him and create the awareness in your target customer. Let me just give an example here. If you can, in the internet world, you can say that you are an organic growing firm, and whatever um, grains or anything you are producing, it is directly from organic forms. But why should I believe you? How do I believe you? By looking at a website or some information. So this is where you need to really create that kind of awareness to believe him. So what all the things you need to do, those are the areas which you need to really deep down, so that then only the credibility, as I mentioned earlier, the credibility building activity happens in this phase. So you will get exposed to all this, what all things you need to do. Okay, once you have done engaging, nurturing, and awareness, then there is a possibility of having a business for yourself. So the entire blueprint is going to cover about mapping the process. What happens from industry to industry, the process of sales funnel may be different, and the process flow may be different, so we need to map it. And there are a lot of objections that comes in. How are you going to handle those objections? And there are many techniques you need to use when it comes to creating the content. And there are tools which you are going to be exposed in this case, which are all free, and you can start directly using those free tools, so that in the near future you can definitely go for the paid one. But at least to start with, you can just begin here. And the support, which I really want to elaborate more here. What happens, in the beginning you may have a lot of questions here and there. That's where I am creating a WhatsApp group for you. And in case if you have any questions and clarifications, so I am there for you every moment till certain period, which maybe two it is 2 weeks is required for you to get get ready with the blueprint, the process, business process setting, all these things. So I'll be there for you to support in this case, so that you will not face any uh, problem when it comes to implementation of this software, and a lot of things which you're going to learn out of it. And as it is going to be, like as I mentioned, like 80% automation is done here, and the lowest customer acquisition cost. That means whatever we are using here almost equal to no cost at all. So obviously whatever you get is almost kind of customer acquisition is almost like as minimal as possible here in this case. Okay, so this is all about the overall blueprint. Now, just to summarize once again, now what is going to happen is that you will be taken through this program step by step process. What you need to do, you need to just follow the steps which is told to you, so that you will start getting the outcome for yourself. Now, there are proven software tools which are evaluated and tested, and all those things we have done, and those are the things only which I'm going to share it to you. And the proven creative tools, right? So creation of videos, creation of images, there are a lot of techniques are there when it comes to online content creation. So those are the things which I will be revealing for you. And free bulk email sending ways up to 10,000 emails per day you can send it. So I'm going to reveal those things. In case if you really want to use this, you can use that also. And the ways to collect contact numbers, and there are many other ways, latest technology point of view. And as I earlier mentioned, my support. Okay, so I'll be there till you really complete the setup for yourself, and I'm there to help you. Any clarification, doubts, and anything is there till you complete the setup. So this is all about the BDM automation blueprint. So in case on top of it you have any questions, I'll be there to answer you. Okay, friends, let me just share about the cost factors. Now, value of this program setup, entire setup of blueprint is valued at 9,999. I want you to take the advantage of this introductory offer. It is only 999. That is 999 only. And it's a money back policy. But that means if you feel you're not getting any value out of this program, your money will be returned back without questions asked. So once you're ready, let's say I will be sharing the payment link to you, and you will be sending the screenshot of the payment to this number. This is my WhatsApp number, and you will share me the mail ID. Using that mail ID, I'll be assigning you online training videos to give you the access, and this access is going to be lifetime access for you. That's it. So start accessing the program. So in case if you have any further questions, so you can call me on this particular number. I'll be there to clarify any of the doubts or clarifications to do. Okay, thank you so much. And some of the testimonials I'm sharing after this video.
Hello everyone, and thanks to Mr. Parag. They are given excellent training while attending this course in Digi School. And actually, I haven't come for this certificate. I came here to get a knowledge. Being an entrepreneur and software company, there was a limitation of my thoughts. In fact, I was thinking I know everything, but later on today I came to know many things which I was knowing, I was not aware about it. and that's why my business was not growing, or it was stagnant at somewhere. Somehow I came to know that there are some sessions are going on digital marketing, and I feel whoever want to increase their business or go for some enhancement in business, they must attend this type of trainings.
Yeah, my name is Basavaraj Navali. I am a marketing professional. From last 2 decades, I have been working on a conventional marketing. Now I am fortunate enough to learn some tools about digital marketing from Parag Mulgun. It's a really tailor-made course. Basically, I would recommend all marketing heads or a business owner should attend this course to have an insight what are the latest developments going on in the digital field. We should make a best use of that available tools. So one has to undergo this customized training to learn A to Z of digital marketing. This is what I recommend. Thank you.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मला जेव्हा माझ्या बिझनेसची ॲडव्हर्टाईज करायची होती तेव्हा मी डिजिटल मार्केटिंगबद्दल ऐकलं, पण डिजिटल मार्केटिंगमध्ये नेमकं काय करायचं याबद्दल मला समजत नव्हतं. म्हणजे की नेमकं गुगल ॲड्स करायचं का SEO करायचं का काय करायचं. त्यामध्ये योगेश सरांची जगदीश सरांची भेट झाली आणि मग जगदीश सरांनी सांगितलं की आपण असं डिजिटल मार्केटिंगचा क्लास घेतोय आणि मी तो क्लास जॉईन केला. आणि हे जे 4 सेशन होते हे 4 सेशन अतिशय मला महत्त्वपूर्ण वाटले. माझ्या पूर्ण बिझनेसची ॲडव्हर्टाईज कॅम्पेन मी कसं करू शकेल आणि ते मी स्वतः करता येईल एवढं चांगलं नॉलेज मला या कॅम्पेनमधनं मिळालं आणि हा खूपच फायदेशीर आहे. आणि पराग सरांबद्दल बोलायचं तर पराग सरांना वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रातलं भरपूर चांगलं नॉलेज आहे आणि त्यांच्याबद्दल फक्त मी 4 ओळी एवढंच म्हणेन की एकलव्याचा अंगठा बाणा वाचून तळपतो मनी, वीर कर्णाचे चाक ऐन वेळी फसते रणी, लक्ष भेदाचे तंत्र असते फक्त धनंजयाच्याच करी आणि गुरु कृपेशिवाय नसतो कुणी दिव्य दृष्टीचा धनी. तर त्यांनी हँड होल्डिंग करून आम्हाला जे समजून सांगितलं ते खरंच खूप अप्रतिम होतं आणि खूप आमच्याकरता महत्त्वपूर्ण होतं. थँक्यू.